BF dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's 4 a.m. right now, so my voice might sound raspy, but I'm kind of skipping through the beginning because you guys have seen me do this a couple times. I'm just priming her eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer, filling her eyebrows in and concealing. This look is so simple that I didn't want to do a voiceover because I'm only blending one eyeshadow all over the lid, which is a red color from my Box of Crayons case palette. And yeah, I'm just only using one eyeshadow. Sometimes I'd usually darken it up with a dark brown, but for this look I wanted to keep it all red. And I'm taking my Duo lash glue and I'm going to use my thumb to shape out a cut crease, and then I'm going to apply my red chunky glitter. Now that I'm done applying the glitter, per usual, I'm taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm kind of tapping it on the surface, and then I'm winging out her eyeliner today and adding on my unreleased Beat Face Barbie lashes. Y'all are gonna love these once they're released. And now I'm just taking this concealer from my concealer palette and concealing and also highlighting under her eyes, nose, forehead, above her mouth, chin. Y'all know the usual. Now taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, I'm applying it all over her face. I'm unsure of the shade of the foundation, but y'all already know all the products will be listed below. And now I'm contouring her nose with the foundation as well. Then I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Every time the setting spray come out, my clients get the jumping. But setting her face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water, lining her lips, then I'm going to highlight and put her lip gloss on. I just want to let you guys know that throughout this video I was wearing a bright ass neon shirt and it kind of threw off the light, and my angle wasn't as perfect, but it was prom day, so you know everything couldn't be perfect but her makeup, which it was. But thank you guys for watching.
Fuck a nigga, I ain't trippin', I'm on go, yeah. On a bad day, I probably let it go, yeah. I would do a nigga dirty, make his mama miss him. Fuck, but then my mama, she would miss me. Let my temper play with me and I'ma go and get him, yeah. Bitch, I'm giving you the real me, yeah. Being me, easy, but I'm focused.